In this episode, we're going to show you step by step on my computer how to open an Amazon seller account and start selling products in the world's largest online marketplace. What if I told you there was a way that you could buy products on sale or at your local discount store and then resell them on Amazon for a profit? Would the idea of making money just by going shopping appeal to you? If you said yes, then you should have an online business selling products on Amazon. Buying and selling products on Amazon is a business that has made me hundreds of thousands of dollars. With no books or training or technical knowledge and making mistakes all along the way, I still managed to figure out how to make money selling product on Amazon. And you will too, because you're already doing more than I did when I was just getting started. By watching these videos and following the steps I describe, you will get through all the clutter and save time, save money, and avoid the mistakes and get into profit fast. Before I started selling on Amazon, I was working a regular 9-to-5 job as an executive assistant. I was making enough to live, but not saving very much, and I always felt underutilized, so I was constantly looking for different ways to do more with my life and make more money, and ultimately just to find a way to live life on my terms. My first goal with selling on Amazon was just to make enough profit to cover the monthly fee of $40. After that, I wanted to see if I could hit $100 in sales a week. Pretty soon I was hitting $1,000 a month, and then it turned into $1,000 a week. Into my second year, I was selling more than $1,000 a day. I know these sound like big numbers, but once you get started, you will see how easy it is. It all starts going right before your eyes. I put together this guide to show people like you who are brand new to the idea of selling on Amazon that it is possible to learn how to sell on Amazon right now. Many people think that selling on Amazon means that you have to open an Amazon website. That's not the case at all. When you sell on Amazon, you are basically the owner of an online retail store, except your store is ran on the Amazon.com site. When you find things to sell on Amazon, you create a product page, label the products, and then send them off to Amazon's warehouse where they store the product and then package and ship it to the customer when the item sells. Let's talk about why you would want to sell on Amazon in the first place. This is really because a lot of people think they can just throw up a website and sell items there instead of Amazon. This is a mistake, because Amazon is the largest online retailer in the world. In fact, Amazon is quickly becoming the world's largest search engine as well. People often head to Amazon when they are looking for something, even before searching on Google. When they do actually search on Google for a physical product they want to buy, Amazon is usually ranked number 1 there too. So Amazon is just grabbing up all that traffic from online shoppers. I tell you this because it is one of the main reasons I sell on Amazon rather than trying to build my own website. Could you even imagine trying to compete with Amazon for traffic? The good news is this: Amazon allows us to sell on their platform, thus sharing that traffic with us. They do the hard work of getting customers to their site, and we get to sell our products to those customers. Yes, this comes at a cost in the form of a commission to Amazon, but that cost doesn't compare with trying to build a website and spending your own money on marketing. Many beginners getting started as a new Amazon seller think they should just list products and ship them to the customers when it sells. This is called merchant fulfilled. I wouldn't recommend starting out this way. When we talk to anyone who wants to start selling on Amazon, we always recommend they use the FBA or Fulfilled by Amazon program. This means Amazon handles a big portion of the selling process for us sellers. Actually, they handle the hardest and most time-consuming parts: packing, shipping, and returns. I send all my products to Amazon and then take a week off if I want to, because when any of my items sell, Amazon processes the order and ships it out to the customer for me. The biggest benefit is that when you use Fulfillment by Amazon, your products become Prime eligible. Amazon does a ton of marketing to get people to join its Prime program. People spend almost $100 a year so they can have unlimited free 2-day shipping on items they buy on Amazon.com. As a Prime member myself, I always choose FBA sellers over merchant fulfilled sellers. Even if the price is higher, I trust that the item will arrive quickly and as described. Amazon is a trust factor that people have come to know and believe in. And this is where the power of being an Amazon FBA seller comes in. Amazon has trained us as buyers to look for Prime sellers. Now that you know the benefits and reasons why the Amazon FBA business model works, you should have a good idea whether this is something that you want to try for yourself. So let's take a look at how someone gets started in their own FBA business. Okay, so the first step is setting up your Amazon seller account. You can do this by going on to Amazon.com. So here we are at Amazon.com. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen to the section that says Make Money with Us. Make Money with Us is going to be right here. So Make Money with Us is the section, the first link is Sell on Amazon. So once you click on there, it takes to another section and you click on the button, Start Selling. Amazon makes it pretty easy for you to get started. Just quickly walk through the steps, filling in the blanks. So here you're going to fill in your email address, create a password if you don't have one, and hit Next. So going through the steps to sign up for Amazon costs you about $39.99 a month, and you'll need a government ID such as a driver's license or a passport, and a copy of a bank statement and a credit card to enroll. The bank statement is to show that you are who you are, and the credit card is to deduct the monthly fees. So how it works is as you're selling product, Amazon will deduct their commissions, and they'll deduct the shipping fees, and they'll deduct the monthly seller fee and deposit into your account all profits. And that's that. Pretty easy, right? If you're thinking $40 is too much to get started, do it anyway. Don't ask for the price of the shovel if you're digging for gold. You're in business now, and it's a business write-off. And at tax time, you can write off a bulk of your life expenses, rent, mileage, and pretty much everything you buy online. Just paying $40 a month saves you money in tax deductions without even having sold a thing. You get a free Amazon Prime membership, which offers free 2-day shipping on all your purchases, and you get the Amazon Seller Central Dashboard, which is the nuts and bolts of your Amazon business. When thinking of the name of your store, don't spend too much time agonizing over the perfect name. Pick something you like that is broad enough to encompass a lot of different types of products, such as XYZ Trading. Do not box yourself in with a super specific name such as Dog Treats Forever. You can always come back and change your store name later if you think of something you like better at a later time. Act now and act fast. Don't wait, because Amazon changes their policies and requirements every now and then, often making the barrier to entry just a little bit higher than the last time. For example, in the past, all you needed to sell food products on Amazon was a receipt from your grocery store, showing you purchased enough items in a large enough quantity deemed bulk and not for personal use. Now you have to show invoices from several grocery, wholesale, or food manufacturing companies. Get in now and get grandfathered into any new programs or requirement changes they may make in the future. The longer you wait, the more hoops you risk having to jump through to get up and running. Once you get approved as a professional seller, you are automatically able to sell in a variety of product categories such as home and garden, office products, sporting goods, bath, kitchen, crafts, etc. Some product categories require approval before you can start selling in them. Examples of these categories include food, grocery, collectibles, and fine art. Just start listing items in the categories automatically open to you. The pool of products you can sell without getting special approval is tremendous. If you need help getting approved for a restricted category, we can show you in a later episode. Next, apply for a UPC GTIN exemption with Amazon. It's a free application. Trust me on this. When you start listing products, this will save you a world of headache. When listing a product, Amazon asks for the UPC or barcode of that item. Every product has a barcode, like this. And sometimes the products you have will work, sometimes they won't. But the real strategy and power behind UPC or GTIN exemption is selling items under your own product listing. If you list a product with a barcode that already exists on Amazon, chances are high there are a handful of other people selling the same products, and everyone is in a race to the bottom, nickel and diming each other to have the lowest price to make a sale. If you need help getting approved for a UPC or GTIN exemption, we can show you in a later episode. If you can't get approved for UPC or GTIN exemption, then you can purchase barcodes in bulk from third-party sellers. Do your research, make sure the codes work, and if there's any issues with the barcodes they sent you, you can talk to the company to fix it. I'll show you how. So I went to Google and I searched for UPC barcodes, and it brought back a bunch of websites for barcodes. And I just pulled up this random one here, and it's showing me that I can get 100 barcodes for $32. So what you should do is shop around, make sure you've got the most barcodes for your money, make sure you've got working with a reputable company, and go for it. You got your barcodes and you're ready to list product on Amazon. So remember, you're in business and Amazon is your business partner. Anything you spend to do business, whether you're buying barcodes or paying for your monthly Amazon seller account, is a write-off, and at the end of the year, you get to deduct all these expenses to run your business. Once you have an active seller account, you can start listing and selling products on Amazon. Set aside time to list products every day. If there's just one thing you can do to ensure success on Amazon, it's listing as many products in your store as humanly possible. The more products you list, the more products you will sell, and the more money you will make. It only takes 10 minutes or less to list a product. If you added just one new product every day for a year, you would have over 350 products in your Amazon store and probably making a six-figure income. You will need some basic supplies when you start selling on Amazon. You can wait until you have found some profitable products before getting these supplies, but you'll need the supplies in order to ship them to Amazon's warehouse for the Fulfilled by Amazon program. The basics are a laptop or a computer, a smartphone, a printer, some labels, some boxes, tape, and a digital scale. In the next episode, we will discuss what makes a good product to sell on Amazon and where to find products to sell. Thanks for watching.